Good morning students. In a previous class we have learned about the exterior property. I hope you all understood the previous concept and the examples. So the remaining part of the examples and the exercise we will do it today. Okay. Examples and exercise 10.1. Okay, right. So already we have completed the 9 problems. Now see the 10th problem. Example 10. Okay, in a triangle PQR, QR is produced to S. PQR triangle, QR is produced to S as shown in given figure. So one of the figure is given. Okay, if the angle PRS is equal to 100 degree and the angle PQR is 70 degree, find the measures of the other two angles of the triangle. Find the measures of other two angles of the triangle. That figure is given like this. Okay, so it is denoted X, it is denoted by R, here Q and P. Okay, the first what is given, P or S value is 100 degree. Okay, and P Q R is 70 degree. Okay, that's it. You have find out this one and angle 1 and angle 2 you have to find out. Okay, find the measure of the other two angles. We have clearly observed from this diagram, this is an exterior angle. These are all the interior angles. Okay, so we have using the angle sum property and exterior angle property we have used and find the remaining angles. Okay, let's see the example 10. Okay, solution given. Okay, what are the data are given? Angle PQR is equal to 70 degree and angle P or S is equal to 100 degree. Okay, now first we have using the property 2, exterior property of the triangle. Okay, what is the exterior property of the triangle? The exterior angles. What are the exterior angles? Angle PRS is equal to exterior angle PRS equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Sum of interior opposite. Sum of angles, what are the? Angle P and angle Q. Okay, sum of these two angles opposite. The exterior angle is opposite of this sum of interior angles. This opposite angle P and Q. So angle PQR plus angle QPR. Okay, angle PQR, this angle, and next one QPR, angle 2. Okay, here write the exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. Opposite angle. Okay, so what is the value of PRS? PRS value we know that 100 degree. What is the value of PQR? PQR value is 70 degree plus Angle QPR. QPR. Angle is 2. Angle 2. Okay. Now 70 come to this side. Subtraction by using the transpose method. Okay. So angle 2 is equal to 100 minus 70. So 30 degree. So angle 2 equal to 30 degree. Okay. Now we have find out the angle 1. Okay. In this place you have using two properties. The first one is sum of 3 angle is 180 degree. Now you know that these two angles, is it? Now you know that value of angle 2 is 30 degree and Q is value is 70 degree. Using sum of 3 angles property. Okay, you have used that formula. Otherwise, okay, you have used that formula, or another one of the method, linear pair. Okay, linear pair having the 180 degree. Linear pair having the 180 degree. So these two are the adjacent angles, which are there P over S and P over Q are the adjacent angles. These are the linear pair also. So linear pair is supplementary. Linear pair is supplementary. Linear angle is 180 degree, a straight line. Okay, so we have using that also. So you have any one of the method you have follow. Okay, both having the same answer. Okay, so I will do this place linear pair we have using. Okay, in your book give it the angle sum property, because we have learned this chapter fully angle sum property and exterior property. So is given in your book angle sum property. So both are I have do in this place. You have using any one of the method in the examination. Okay, the first we have using the linear pair type. Okay, linear pair of angle is 180 degree. 180 degree means supplementary. That is the angle PRS plus PRQ. Okay, sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. Linear pair of angle is 180 degree means the sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. So what are the adjacent angles here? PRS and PRQ. PRQ equal to 180 degree. So PRS value is 100 degree plus angle 1 equal to 180 degree. Now angle 1 is stay here, 100 come to this side. Okay, by using transpose method become here and subtract its 80 degree. So angle 1 is equal to 80 degree. This is one of the method. And another one we have using the angle sum property of triangle, or the sum of 3 angle is 180 degree. Here write angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. So sum of the angles. What are the angles? Here angle PQR, QPR and PRQ. Okay. So from here RQ P plus Q P R plus PRQ equal to 180 degree. So Q value is 70 degree. Okay, P value is 2. 2 means which value? You have write first 2. Okay, after you will write. Okay, equal to 180 degree. You have find the value of angle 2. So 70 degree plus angle 2 value is 30 degree plus angle 1 equal to 180 degree. So 100, 70 plus 30, 100 degree plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. So angle 1 equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree is equal to 80 degree. So angle 1 equal to 80 degree. You have using this method or any one of the method. Okay, that's it. And next one, example 11. In a triangle, an exterior angle measures 140 degree if its interior opposite angles are in the ratio 2:5. Find the measure of all the three angles of the triangle. One of the triangle, its exterior measurement is 140 degree. Its interior opposite angles are in measurement in ratio. Okay, ratio is given, so we have find the angles. Okay, ratio la kuduthiranga. So as usual we have considered b the x of the each angles. After we have find out the each angle values. Okay, example 11. Okay, so what are the data are given? Exterior angle is given. Okay, so exterior angle solution, exterior angle is equal to 140 degree. Okay, if its interior opposite angles in a ratio, so interior angles in given is ratio, so let x be the interior angles. Okay, let x be the interior angles of the ratio 2x and 5x respectively. The ratio is given, so we have considered the 2x and 5x. Okay, right. Now the interior clearly given, interior opposite angles of the ratio is given. So what is the relation between these two? Interior angle, sum of the interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. Okay, so sum of interior angles is 2x plus 5x is equal to, what is the exterior angle here? 140 degree. Here write exterior angles is equal to sum of opposite interior or interior opposite interior angles. Okay, so 7x equal to 140 degree. So x equal to 7 will be cancelled, 7 and 2's are, so 20 degree. So x equal to 20 degree. Now we have find out the each angles. So first angle be 2x. So 2x equal to 2 into 20 equal to 40 degree. And 5x is equal to 5 into 20 degree equal to 5 2's are 10. So 100 degree. X value was 20 degree. Okay. So other sums of one angle is 40 degree, another one of the angle is 100 degree. The sum of this angle is exterior angle is 140 degree. Okay, right. And next you will move to the examples. Problems are completed. Now move to the exercise 10.1. You find the measures of x in each of the following figures. So it's very easiest one we have using the angles and property of triangle. We have find out the value of x. Okay, and next one, second, side AB, BC and CA are produced to QZR, X and PY in the following figure. Observe the given figure and answer each of the following. So one of the figure is given. Okay, first I have to draw that figure. CAZ angle is equal to first one B angle ACX and C angle BAP equal to and D QBC. Okay, and EF are there, you have the homework. Okay, we will do the homework. Okay, now see the first one. Solution. CAZ. Where is CAZ? Okay. So exterior angle. What are the opposite interior angles? These are the opposite interior angles. Okay. So how can you write that? ABC, is it? How will you write? ABC. And next one of the interior? BCA or ACB. Okay. ACB. Okay. That's all. And next one, the exterior angle. Angle ACX. Where is that? ACX. ACX. What are the interior angles? What are the interior opposite angles? This one and this one. Okay. So how can you write this? Angle ABC and another one of the angle is BAC. BAC. These are all the opposite interior angles. So another one of the exterior angle is BAP. BAP. This is a exterior angle. So what are the opposite exterior angles? What are the opposite? These two. Okay, which are that? This one and this one. Okay, exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. What are the ABC and ACB? ABC and ACB. And next one QBC. Where is Q? This one QBC. So this is a exterior angle. This is an exterior angle. So what are the interior angles? Opposite. Okay, these are. Okay. Identify the different colors of the corresponding exterior angle and interior angles. I hope you have understood these different colors for each of the exterior angles QBC. So these two are the interior opposite angles. So what are the BAC and ACB? ACB. Okay, right. And remaining two of them you have find out. Okay, that's his homework. Now move to the third one. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to angle B and angle C is equal to 50. Find the angle A and B. Find the angle A and B. Okay. You have draw like this in your notebook using the different colors and using sketch or crayons. Okay, for your understanding. ஓகே கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகாமல் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? பென்சில் யூஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா எல்லா மார்க்கிங்கும் ஒரே மாதிரி இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் யூஸிங் எனி டிஃப்ரெண்ட் sketch colors. Okay, marker any one. Okay, right. Third problem. In triangle ABC, the angle A is equal to angle B are equal given. Angle C is equal to find angle A and angle B. Okay, to find angle A and angle B. So what is the relation between these three angles we have using the angle sum property of triangle? So here one of the condition is given. So angles A and angles B are equal. So let me consider X be the angles. Okay, let X be the angles A and B respectively, because each having the equal. Okay, so let X be the angle of A and B. Okay, so now using the angle sum property, the sum of three angle is 180 degree. Three angle is 180 degree. So angle sum property of triangle. Okay, so the angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle A and B are equal. So we have consider X. So X plus X, angle C value is 50 degree equal to 180 degree. So these two are the like terms. So X plus X, 2X plus 50 degree equal to 180 degree. Okay, so 2x equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. So we have separate what we get 130 degree. So 2x equal to 130 degree. So x equal to 130 degree by 2, we get 65 degree. So x equal to 65 degree. Therefore the angle A is equal to angle B equal to 65 degree. That's it. Okay, and fourth one, find the measure of each angle of a equilateral triangle. So very easiest one is it. Find the measure of each angles of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle having the equal sides and equal angles. So let X be the equal angles of the triangle. Okay, can you do the homework? Okay, try to do. Okay, if you have any doubt you will ask to me. Okay, so fourth one is homework. Okay, first one and fourth one homework, second, third F and homework. Okay, right. Now move to the fifth problem. One angle of a triangle is 30 degree and the second angle is thrice that the third angle. Find the measure of all the angles. One of the model already did in the example, the same model. Okay, so one angle is 30 degree. The second angle is thrice that the third angle. So third angle vida appdi irukuma thrice times irukku second angle. So let the third angle be x and second angle be 3x. Okay, fifth one, given one angle. Okay, so let me consider the first angle. Okay, one angle is equal to 30 degree That is first angle you have considered. Okay, first angle is equal to 30 degree. And second angle, so let x be the third angle. X be the third angle. Then 3x, it's riser times. So 3x be the second angle. Find the measure of all the angles. Find the measure of all the angles. So the sum of three angles equal to 180 degree. Here write angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. Okay. So sum of three angle is equal to 180 degree. So first angle is 30 degree and second angle be 3x and third angle be x is equal to 180 degree. At these angles 30 degree plus 4x is equal to 180 degree. So 4x is equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree. Okay, you understand why do you take here 3x? The second angle is thrice the times of the third angle. So we have the third angle be x, then the second angle we can write as 3x. Okay, after using the angle sum property at these three angles we have to find out the value of x. So what is the value of x? 4x is equal to 150 degree. So x equal to 150 degree divided by 4. 4 how many times? 4 3s are 12. Remaining 3 30. 4 7s are 28. Remaining 2 20. So 5. So x equal to 37.5 degree. So x value was 37.5. So third angle is 37.5 degree. Now we have to find out the second angle. Second angle is we consider 3x. So thrice the times of x is 37.5 degree. We have multiply by 3 15 21 22 9 11. So one decimal point. So answer is 112.5 degree. 112.5 degree. Okay. So 3x value is 112.5 degree. Thus first angle is equal to 30 degree. Second angle is equal to second angle 112.5 degree. Okay, third angle is equal to 37.5 degree. 37.5 degree. Sum of these three angles we get the 180. Okay, that's it. Now move to the next one of that. Sixth problem. In a right angle triangle, one angle is 45 degree. Find the measure of the other angles. So one is clearly given 90 degree and another one of the angle is 45 degree. So find the remaining one. So we have using the angle sum. Two angles you know. We have find out the another one using the angle sum property. Okay, using the angle sum property of triangle. Sixth problem. Okay, so what are the data are given? In right angle triangle. So one angle is right angle. Okay, so in right angle, triangle, that is right angle triangle, that is the angle A is equal to 90 degree. Okay, let me consider the angle A is equal to 90 degree. One angle is given. What is that? We have considered B is equal to 45 degree is given. Okay, so right angle triangle is given. So right angle having the 90 degree and the angle B is also given 45 degree. We know these two angles. We can find out the remaining one angle by using the angle sum property. Okay, now we have find out the third one of the angle. Okay, the sum of three angle is equal to 180 degree using angle sum property. Of triangle, angle sum property of triangle. So the angle sum of the sum of three angles, what are that? So angle A, to find here, right, to find the angle C. Okay, so angle AB plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is 90 degree, angle B is 45 degree, angle C didn't know. Add these two values, 135 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree. Subtract what we get. So angle C is equal to 45 degree. Thus the third angle or other angle, thus the other angle is 45 degree. That's it. Okay, and the seventh one, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 2:4:6. Find the measure of all the angles. So ratios are given, you have find out the each angles. Okay, so let X be the angles எடுத்துக்கலாம். Otherwise seventh one, let the angles, let the first angle be 2x, second angle be which 4x, and third angle be 6x. Okay, let me consider the first angle be 2x and second angle be 4x and third angle be 6x. Now we have find out the each angles. Okay, the angle sum property, the sum of three angles equal to 180 degree. Here angle sum property, angle sum property of triangle is 180 degree. So sum of three angles, what are there? The first angle be 2x, the second angle be 4x, and third angle be 6x equal to 180 degree. So these are the like variables. So we have add 12x, 6x plus 6x, 12x equal to 180 degree. Okay, so it cancelling. 2, 6 table. Okay, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are, okay, so 2x equal to 30 degree. Next x equal to 15 degree. X equal to 15 degree. Now we have find out the each angles. So 2x, the first angle. Okay, the first angle 2x equal to 2 into 15. 2 into 15, 13 degree. 30 degree. And 4x, 4 into 15, 60 degree, and 6x, 6 into 15, 90 degree. Thus the angles are 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. The angles of the triangles are another. Okay, angles of the triangle are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. That's it. Okay. And finally, 8th problem, find the measure of x in each of the following figures. Okay, so first one you will do the homework. A and B are very easiest one. Okay, now move to the C, D. Okay, eighth one, C problem. Diagram is given. X 140 degree, this angle is 90 degree. And D problem, A degree, 2A degree, 7A degree, here x. See this C problem, find the value of x. Find the value of x. So what is the relation between these two angles? Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Okay, before of this using this property, before of you have to find out this value, because we need these two values. Okay, interior angles, we need these two values. So first we have to find out this angle. Okay, using the linear pair. Using linear pair of angle is 180 degree. Linear pair of angle is 180 degree are supplementary. Okay, so supplementary means two adjacent angles are 180 degree. Two adjacent angles are 180 degree. Okay, so solution, we have denote the angle A, B, C and D. Here E. Okay, have considered like this. So angle ACD plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. Okay, since linear pair of angles is 180 degree. Is 180 degree. So angle C ACD is 90 degree. Okay, here we have considered BX. Okay, we didn't know that, so we consider Y. So Y is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. Okay, மிஸ் புக்கில் வந்து இது கொடுக்கல, ஒய் கொடுக்கல அப்படிலாம் சொல்லாதீங்க, சரியா? நமக்கு ஏன்னா அதோட வேல்யூ நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். unknown value we have considered be the variable, any one of the variable. So we have considered be x. நம்ம என்ன எடுத்துக்கிறோம், அதோட வேல்யூவை x எடுத்துக்கிறோம். டயக்ராமில் மிஸ் அது கொடுக்கலையே, நமக்கு அந்த வேல்யூ தெரிஞ்சால் தான் we have to find out the exterior angle property. ஸோ நமக்கு இல்லைன்னா நம்ம என்னென்ன எடுத்துக்கலாமா, ஒரு unknown value எடுத்துக்கலாம். unknown value எடுக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம என்னென்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம், வேரியபிள்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, சரியா? ஸோ y equal to 180 minus 90. ஸோ y is equal to 90 degree. இப்போ இதோட yயோட வேல்யூ என்னென்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோமா, 90 degree. Now we have using the exterior angle property. Okay, exterior angle property, what is that? What are the exterior angles there? Angle CBE is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. What are that? Interior angles, angle CAB plus angle BCA. Okay, here write exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Okay, so exterior angle value is 140 degree is equal to angle A is B, consider BX and Y. Okay, so angle 40 degree equal to X, Y already found that 90 degree, move to this side, 140 minus 90 degree equal to X, so 0, okay, so 50 degree, so X equal to 50 degree, X equal to 50 degree. And next one, C problem. Okay, see after D problem. Okay, right. Solution. First we have find out the value of A. First we have find out the value of A, because here all the angles in variables, not give any angles, value of the angles. So first we have find out the any one of the angle. So the angle, first we have find out the value of angle A. So I have you find this angle by using the linear pair. So what is that? We have considered A, B, C, D. Okay, the angle ACD, okay, angle ACD plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. Since linear pair of angles is 180 degree. Do you understand this? Why do you find out the A value in this place? Because all the angles in variable, so we need the any one of the angle. So first we have to find out the, using any one of the property, find the value of the angle A. Okay, so angle ACD value was 7A and ACB value was 2A degree equal to 180 degree. So add this, 9A degree is equal to 180 degree. So A degree is equal to 180 degree divided by 9, so 20. So A is equal to 20 degree. Now we have find out the A value. Okay, now we have find out the A value. We want to find out the value of X. So now we have applied this value of A in this angle, because these two angle is a exterior angle of the sum of interior angles. Okay, exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. These two angles are interior angles to the exterior angles. So first we have find out this value. So 5A degree is equal to 5 into 20 degree. Now we got the answer for this angle. 5A degree is 100 degree. 100 degree. Now we can easily find out these angles. Okay. So what is the 7A degree? 7A degree is equal to 7 into the exterior angle value was 140 degree. 140 degree. Now we have using the exterior angle property, angle ACD is equal to angle BAC plus angle CBA. Okay, angle CDA value is 7A. Okay, 7A value is, so one more step I have right. Okay, 7A degree here, B angle is X and B, A angle is X and B value was 5A degree. Already find these values. So 140 degree is equal to X plus 5 degree value was 5A degree value was 100 degree. Okay, now subtract 140 degree minus 100 is equal to X. Therefore X equal to 40 degree. X equal to 40 degree. That's it. Okay, and E problem. Here write exterior angle property within a bracket. Okay, within a bracket write exterior angle property. Eighth E problem. This is 20 degree, here give it 50 degree. Okay, here one of the angle is 30 degree. We have to find out this value. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E. Okay, we have considered the angles B, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, now we have find out this angle. What is the opposite angle of this one? These two are the opposite angles. These two are the opposite angles. Okay, so before of this, have using the angle sum property. Angle sum property of the triangle. Okay, angle sum property of the triangle. The sum of three angles equal to 180 degree. So what are the angles here? Now we have find out this angle C. Okay, so angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Here write angle sum property of triangle. Okay, right. So angle A is 20 degree plus angle B is 50 degree plus angle C we have considered BC. Okay, and 180 degree. So add this value 70. So C is equal to 180 minus 70 degree is equal to 110 degree. So angle C is equal to 110 degree. So X is opposite angles. What are there? These are the opposite angles, is it? These are the opposite angles. So we know that one value, we have to need the another one of the value. So we have using the linear pair of angle is 180 degree. Okay, linear pair of angle is 180 degree. So using that property, have find out the value of the ACE. Okay, angle. In this place we have write ACB. Okay, ACB, because it has separated by two angles. Two adjacent angles are there, so I have write like this. Okay, so ACB is equal to 110. Okay, here now we have find out the angle ACB plus angle ACE equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair. Linear pair of angle is 180 degree. Okay, Amma. Now we have find this two angles. Already you know that 110. Now we have find out this angle. Okay, so C is ACB value is 110 degree plus angle AC value, did you know? We have write like this, equal to 180 degree. So sum of three angle is 180 degree. We have using and find this angle. After we have find out linear pair of angle is supplementary. So angle ACE is equal to 180 minus 110. So 70 degree. So angle ACE is equal to 170 degree. 70 degree. And ACB is 110 degree. Okay, right. Now we have write the opposite angles. Okay, what are the exterior angle? Okay, so angle ADE is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Sum of opposite interior angles. Angle ADE DCE plus CED. Okay, DCE and CED. So angle X is equal to DCE. DCE value is 70 degree plus CE value is 30 degree. So the X value is 100 degree. Thus the X value is 100 degree. Okay. So homeworks from the exercise. Homework exercise 10.1. First, second, EF, 4, 8, AB. Okay. Everyone should complete the homework. If you have any doubt, you can ask it to me. Thank you, students.